Imagine waking up tomorrow and discovering that GPS has stopped working everywhere. No Google Maps, no Uber rides, and no food delivery apps. Suddenly, the conveniences we rely on every day are gone. This scenario might seem far-fetched, but it highlights just how deeply GPS is woven into our daily routines. From finding the quickest route to work to ordering your favorite meal, GPS quietly powers countless services. As we begin to explore this world without GPS, let's uncover the hidden ways it shapes our lives and why its absence would create chaos. Without GPS, Google Maps and other navigation apps would instantly become useless. People would have to rely on paper maps or ask for directions, a skill many have forgot. Getting lost would become a daily risk, especially in unfamiliar cities. The convenience of real-time traffic updates and route optimization would vanish, making commutes longer and more stressful. This change would affect not just individuals, but businesses that depend on efficient travel. The loss of GPS would force us to rethink how we move through the world, returning to old habits and facing new challenges. Services like Uber and food delivery apps rely heavily on GPS to match drivers with customers and track orders in real time. Without GPS, these platforms would struggle to operate. Drivers wouldn't know where to pick up passengers or deliver food, and customers would lose the ability to track their orders. The convenience of quick rides and fast food delivery would disappear, impacting urban lifestyles and local economies. Businesses would need to find new ways to connect with customers, and many might not survive the transition. The ripple effect would be felt in cities everywhere. GPS is essential for airplanes and ships to navigate safely and efficiently. Without it, pilots and captains would have to rely on older methods like radio signals and manual charts. This would lead to delays, increased risk of accidents, and confusion in busy airspace or shipping lanes. International travel and trade would slow down, affecting economies and supply chains. Emergency landings and rerouted flights could become more common, making travel unpredictable and stressful. The loss of GPS would challenge the entire transportation industry, forcing a return to less reliable navigation. Banks and emergency services depend on GPS for accurate timing and coordination. Financial transactions require precise timestamps, and emergency responders use GPS to locate incidents quickly. Without GPS, banks could face errors in processing payments, and emergency services might struggle to reach people in need. The reliability of these systems would be compromised, leading to confusion and potential losses. This scene reveals how GPS is not just about location, but also about timing and synchronization, which are critical for safety and financial stability. Even internet systems rely on GPS for timing to stay synchronized. GPS provides the precise time signals needed for servers and networks to operate smoothly. Without it, data transfers could become unreliable, websites might load slowly, and communication between devices could break down. This would affect everything from streaming videos to online banking. The loss of GPS timing would create widespread disruptions, making the internet less dependable and slowing down digital life. It's a reminder that GPS is a hidden backbone of our connected world. Communication systems, including mobile networks and emergency alerts, depend on GPS for timing and coordination. Without GPS, these systems could face delays, errors, or even complete failures. Calls might drop unexpectedly, messages could be delayed, and critical alerts might not reach people in time. The reliability of our communication infrastructure would be at risk, affecting both everyday conversations and urgent situations. This breakdown would highlight how interconnected our world has become and how much we rely on invisible technologies like GPS. Most surprising part is that most people wouldn't even realize how much the world depends on GPS until it disappears. GPS is quietly embedded in countless systems, from transportation to finance to communication. Its absence would reveal just how fragile our modern world can be. We often take these technologies for granted, not noticing their impact until something goes wrong. This hidden dependence is a wake-up call to appreciate and protect the systems that keep our lives running smoothly. Summary: the disappearance of GPS would create chaos across the globe. From lost commuters to delayed flights, failed deliveries, and unreliable communication, every aspect of modern life would be affected. This scenario reminds us of the importance of invisible technologies and the need to build resilient systems. As we move forward, understanding and safeguarding these critical infrastructures will be key to maintaining stability in our increasingly connected world.